Hello everyone, this is Olivia's Adventure. We are now here in Assisi and this is our hotel. It's called Giotto Hotel and Spa here at Via Fontebella, Assisi. So let us go inside our room. It looks nice outside, kaya kala ko maganda. So that's the toilet, and this is our bedroom. It's for three because three of us in a room. So this is the hotel. This one at night, it's like this, and this is outside our hotel, and we are going to walk to Saint Francis de Assisi, the church. So let us walk. It's around 6 p.m. in the afternoon. Take note, it's July. This is July, summertime here in Italy when we went there. So it's still very, it's not snowing. It's a late post. So let us enjoy the summertime here in Italy.
buti choy tiam ke kui da yo. Asui cha. Ya. Ya ba? Noon. Ngayon, ito mas malapit. Wow. High end.
I hope the breakfast is good.
We are going to visit the Church of St. Francis de Assisi. It's walking distance, it's just walking distance from our hotel. The driver just dropped us off in our hotel earlier, and then we checked in and we're walking around to check the place out. Kasi even if it's already nighttime,
No.
but still very maliwanag.
No.
Kasi nga summertime when we were there.
It's now 7 p.m. Pero the sun is at 8:30 usually. Yan, mahangin. Pero mainit pa. Uy, umas.
Access to the computers.
We are going down to the tomb of Saint Francis. That one on top, that's the tomb of Saint Francis.
Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us. Diyan ka na. We are here in St. Francis de Assisi. This is the church. We are nasa taas. We are on top. Oh. Supermarket.
Oo, yun na lang bilhin natin ba? Di ka lang, Lila. Kalay, watch out.
Doon ka.
Ang ganda, di ba?
Hotel Minerva yan, oh.
Saan?
Yan, ito. 2 star. Pero sa atin 5.
Saan?
Ito na. Going up. Going up.
We plan to walk to the church of Saint Acutis. Yung bata na hindi pa siya sultatan. Kaya lang it's already 8 p.m. kaya sarado na yung church na yun. So,
Order
we
tayo.
just
Tapos
plan
pizza.
to get our dinner
Order tayo.
and yan
Tapos
yung
pizza.